Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to highlight body part in your video using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application. And then for example, I'm going to highlight this body part and I'm going to use this red background image to highlight a body part in my video. So make sure you have downloaded this kind of image to highlight the body part. Okay, and I'm going to add this image to the timeline or the track in CapCut, and I'm going to make it longer. I'm going to make it align with my first video, and then we're going to use mask. So we can go to the mask option, add mask, and you're going to choose the circle mask. Okay, and we can resize the mask. We can adjust the size of the mask according to the body part we want to highlight. Okay, I'm going to make it smaller. And then we're going to adjust the feather. You can drag this feather to blend it with the video. Okay, and I think it looks good. Let me play it. Okay, and you can go to the blend mode. Go to basic and you're going to select blend, and you can change the blend mode here to create better effect. Okay, you can choose the blend mode that you like, and for me I'm just going to use darken. Okay, and this is the final result. If the body part is moving, you can use keyframe to make the highlight follow the moving part. Okay guys, and that's all the way to highlight body part in our video using CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!